In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from eldorado.gg. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to open up a web browser and head on over to Eldorado or eldorado.gg and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, click onto your user profile, scroll down and click into wallet. So now this is where you're going to see how much funds you got inside of your wallet on this page. Now, I don't have any money on this account, so you're going to have your balance here, and to the right of it, you're going to have a withdraw button. So go ahead and click on that withdraw button. So basically, it's going to look like this. So click on that withdraw button. And then from there, we need to go ahead and choose a withdrawal method. So the supporter payout methods include Payoneer, which is a minimum of 10 to 50 USD depending on your region, SEPA bank transfer for Europe, Swift bank transfers for certain countries, Skrill Europe, Bitcoin or USD coin globally. And then basically enter the amount you wish to withdraw and provide the recipient payment address or account details. Ensure it's your own address account. Then review the fees. There are fees depending on what you're using, can be about 4 to 5% plus $10 flat. Yeah, it just all depends what type of withdrawal method you're using. Then simply just click submit. Your request will be processed and funds will be transferred according to the method you chosen. Some methods are automatic, others may be manually reviewed and take a few business days.